Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your brand positioning with Brandfolder step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Brandfolder account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Brandfolder website and signing up. Once logged in, navigate to your existing brand assets. Identify the specific areas of your brand that need enhancement. Click on the Branding tab in the main navigation menu. Review your current brand guidelines and asset collections. Assess the clarity and consistency of your logo, colors, and typography. Upload any new or updated brand assets that align with your vision. Organize these assets into clearly labeled folders for easy access. Next, explore the Insights feature to analyze brand performance. Use the analytics provided to understand how your brand is perceived. Identify gaps in your current positioning based on these insights. Make notes on how to address these gaps in your strategy. Once you have your roadmap, draft updated brand messaging. Incorporate feedback from your team and stakeholders during this phase. Revise your digital brand materials to reflect these updates. Ensure that all assets, including social media graphics and presentations, are aligned. Test the new positioning by sharing it with a small audience for feedback. Gather their insights on the effectiveness of the new positioning. Based on this feedback, make necessary adjustments to your materials. Finally, launch your upgraded brand positioning across all channels. Monitor performance regularly to gauge the impact of these changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.